No? And here, I am focusing to you the edge or margin of the ulcer, wherein you still see recognizable mucosa as seen by the presence of these circular glands here. So this is parang the transition zone. Okay? So here, this is the edge or margin of the ulcer, no? Wherein you see the gastric mucosa, and when I move here, what happens to the mucosa? It is what? Effaced and replaced by this necrotic base of the ulcer. See? Did you see that? I hope you saw that in here. So here, this is the margin, no? Border. These are the gastric mucosa, as seen by these circular glands here. See. There, yan. No? Those are your glands. The ulcer margins. When you move into the base or center of the ulcer, your mucosa becomes necrotic. No? Oops.